Wound. A cut or injury on the body. He has a small wound on his finger. He cried because the wound hurt. Street. A road in a city or town. The street is very busy today. The lights on the street are bright. Kick. To hit something with your foot. He tried to kick the ball. Don't kick others when playing. Ceremony. A formal event or celebration. The award ceremony was exciting. We went to a wedding ceremony. Rope. A strong, thick string made by twisting many thin pieces together. He tied the box with a rope. She jumped over the rope. Rural. A place in the countryside, not in the city. The rural area has many farms. We saw cows and goats in the rural land. Support. To help or give strength to someone or something. My parents support me when I am sad. Good friends always support each other. Hang. To attach or hold something from the top, so it stays down and does not touch the ground. I hang my clothes in the closet. I will hang this poster in my room. Visitor. A person who comes to see a place or someone. We had a visitor at our home today. The museum was full of visitors. Install. To set up something so it is ready to use. He installed cabinets in the room. They installed the washing machine.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!